August might have given home buyers a brief respite in an otherwise cooling housing market, thanks to a one-month dip in mortgage interest rates. Home prices and sales, which had been dropping from one month to the next this past summer, leveled off or increased from July. But that reprieve could be short-lived as inflation, Federal Reserve rate hikes and a rebound in home loan borrowing costs push sales and prices lower in the months ahead. Bidding wars remain scarce. Buyers still are sidelined by a 47% jump in the typical house payment. And discouraged owners are shying away from the market as homes take longer and longer to sell. The train kind of left the station as far as overbidding on properties, said Gail Anderson, an agent with Inet Realty in Irvine. For $750,000 properties, we were getting offers close to $900,000. That's not happening anymore. There no longer are multiple offers, no more lines at open houses. Southern California had 17,698 home sales in August, up 7.9% from July, according to CoreLogic numbers released by DQNews on Monday, September 19. The median price of a Southern California home, or the price at the midpoint of all sales, was $740,000, unchanged from July. That's a turnaround from previous month-to-month declines after 30-year mortgage rates dipped to 5% in July and early August. Nonetheless, last month's sales still were down 28% year-over-year, dropping to the second worst tally for an August in records dating back 34 years. It was the smallest number of sales for an August since 1992. The region's median home price, meanwhile, was up a mere 8% from a year ago, tied for the smallest appreciation rate since the pandemic lockdowns all but halted sales in the spring of 2020. Southern California home values had been rising an average of 15% for the previous 2 years. The market's taking a downturn, said Juan Zarate, an agent for the Real Estate Shoppe in Murietta. We're seeing a slight increase in inventory, decrease in prices and a little more flexibility with sellers. We're in a different market than we were as little as 6 months ago. Lofty home values coupled with a near doubling of the 30-year fixed mortgage rate boosted the typical payment on a median-priced home by $1.055 a month. Zarate and others said sellers eager to close deals now are offering to help buyers pay closing costs or to pay points on a loan to lower their monthly payments.